We all have come across a video on YouTube that we have found extremely hilarious, like this one over here, of somebody falling over, funny kid videos, people crashing into things, and even funny animal videos. These people that create these videos make a lot of money online, and I want to show you exactly how you can do something very similar to also make money online without ever having to create these different types of videos. If you're thinking how much money do they make anything from a few $10,000 a month, and some of them make as much as several hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month. This is just the tip of the iceberg, because they can make even more money online with the different strategies that they put onto these channels. I want to show you exactly how they do this, so don't skip this video, because I want to show you exactly how you can do what these people are doing. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. So the first channel that I want to show you when it comes to these different types of reaction videos is this one over here called Aussie Man Reviews. Now this is a channel where this guy finds all of these different types of videos on YouTube. Funny videos, fail videos, a whole heap of different types of videos. And then what he does from there is he narrates over the top of these different videos. I'm going to show you exactly how he does this. Number one, he is monetized. That's the first way that he makes money online. But I'll show you how else he makes money online. So if we come over here, you can see here that this video is only 3 minutes long. This video is also just under 4 minutes long, 8 minutes long. So these videos are not very long, number one. And number two, he doesn't create any of his content. He finds the videos, uses these videos, and he doesn't get any copyrights. A lot of the time, he may drive traffic back to these creators by showing people where he got these videos. So if we click onto this video over here, so here's the video that he has created. Now this video is all about pandas, and when you scroll down, if you open up the description of this video, he's going to show you exactly where he got these videos. Like I said, he drives credit and gives credit to wherever he gets these videos. And then over here, he has a merch shop. And this is another way that he makes money on the back of these videos. If you come over here, you can see that he's also on TikTok. So he's driving traffic to TikTok and to Telegram. So when you come over here, I want to play a very short snippet to show you exactly what he does. So he narrates this entire clip of different pandas, and he talks over the top, and it's extremely funny. This is why he gets hundreds of thousands of views on his videos. So in order to create something like this, you need to know where to get these videos. I'll show you where you can go to edit these different types of videos. I would also show you how he's creating these different types of thumbnails on his videos, and when you come over here, you can see here he got these videos tags as well. I will show you how to get those and how he's driving traffic. Now as you can see, he does have a merch store, and when you click onto his merch store, you can see here that he's selling t-shirts. Different types of ranges over here. He's got all this stuff over here that he's selling, and he'd be making a lot of money on his merch. How do I know this? Because when you go over here, you can see that this is roughly what he's making from his ad revenue. When you scroll down, he gets millions of views on his videos every single month. Out of that millions of views, how much of that actually results in merch sales? I'm not sure, but whatever it is, it'll be an astronomical amount, and he would be making tens of thousands of dollars on his merch sales. Plus, tens of thousands of dollars in ad revenue. Plus, what these guys also do is they do sponsorships with these different types of videos. And sometimes, at the start of these videos, they will have a sponsor that will pay them a few $1,000s, maybe $10,000, $20,000, depending on the size of his channel, where they will go and promote a product, and that's another way that they're making money on YouTube. So that was the first channel. Another channel that I want to show you over here is this one called Real Rejects. Now what they do is that they narrate or they do reaction videos to different types of TV shows. They do it to trailers. What they do is they show a trailer of a movie that's coming up, and they're going to sit there and they're going to narrate over the top of it. These guys have over 800,000 subscribers. They drive a lot of traffic and they make a lot of money through ad revenue. And they can also make a lot of money through their stores. They can also make a lot of money through affiliate marketing and a whole heap of stuff. When you come over here, you can see that it's a trailer of this movie. So it's a trailer video that they play at the bottom over here, and they're narrating over the top of it. These different types of reaction and narration type of videos make people a lot of money. When you scroll down here, you can see that they've got links to a whole heap of other stuff, and they can be driving traffic to different types of social media platforms that are also making them some really good money online. When you come over to Social Blade, you can see that they're also absolutely crushing it, with ad revenue for sitting there, talking over the top of other people's videos. Some other channels that you can check out that is successfully in doing this kind of stuff: Aziland, Reaction Time, and Tyrone Magnus. You can check all of these different channels and learn from them on how to make these videos. If you're looking for these different types of videos, all you need to do is to come over to YouTube and type in something like Life Awesome, or you can type something like Foul Army. These guys have a lot of videos on different types of fail videos. You can literally come over here and find all the content that you want, or you could just type in fail videos or funny videos and you can get a lot of this content. You can also create one of these channels where you can narrate over the top of, like I showed you at the start of this video. When it comes to Aussieman Reviews over here, he barely shows his face on camera. He does sometimes, but a lot of these videos, all he does is commentate over the top of it. He's extremely funny, but there's no reason that you can replicate a lot of the stuff that he does to drive a lot of traffic and make money on YouTube. So when you come over to this Fail Army video over here, some of these videos are 8 minutes long. Some of them are really short, and some of them are 16 minutes long. And all you need to do is to click onto this. And then what you will do is get a lot of these videos by copying the URL and then go over to a site like YouTube to MP3. You can search different websites on Google that can do this for you. Then paste the URL and download the video as an MP4 file. So from there, what you need to do is to simply get a software like openshot.org. This is where you can create these awesome videos. And then all you need to do is to talk over the top of these videos, edit different scenes and different clips. So if it's a fail video, do a fail video. If it's a funny animal video, do all different animal videos. Whatever it may be, put all those together. Narrate over the top of it. Have your own intro, have your own outro, and I guarantee you, you will start to see traffic within a short few months, and you can absolutely crush it with these different types of videos. Now I'm going to show you how you can make even more money online with these YouTube videos. We saw that ad revenue is one of them, merch was another one, doing promo videos, and doing different types of sponsorship videos. There's one more way that you can also do. Now with a lot of these videos, you can see that they have different types of thumbnails. These thumbnails that all these channels are creating are very simple. A lot of them don't have a lot of text over the top. They're primarily just the scenes from these videos. All you need to do is to capture the screenshot of the scene you have chosen and come over to a site like canva.com and create these thumbnails. It's very simple, and if you need help creating these thumbnails, all you need to do is to look at tutorials on YouTube. Canva is free for you to do this. Now when you looked at these videos, they are using different tags on these videos. Like this video over here has got a lot of these different tags. You can also see exactly what tags these videos are using by downloading a software called vidIQ. Now I'm going to have a link in my description where you can get this for absolutely free. A lot of these videos are going to have the same tags over and over again because they're funny videos, fail videos, etc. You can reuse the same tags on a lot of different videos, but I highly recommend getting this software so you can use it and you can also see what these different channels are using when it comes to the tags. The best part about this strategy is that all the videos are already on YouTube for you. So another thing that you could do is buy yourself a cheap microphone, a $10, $15, maybe $20 microphone so you can talk over the top of the video. Or what I did when I first started is I used my mobile phone. I spoke into my mobile phone for a lot of this stuff. And I also record myself on my mobile phone, so you can get away by using your mobile phone to record yourself for these videos. There are other ways that you can make money with this strategy. You can also do affiliate marketing, and you can post up different types of links inside the description of that video. Now these are generic types of videos, so you need generic type of offers. I would recommend for you to come over to a site like offervault.com. Type in something like PayPal or Amazon. That would allow people to have the opportunity to enter in for a PayPal gift card or an Amazon gift card. When you scroll down, you're going to find a lot of these different types of gift cards, and all you need to do is to come over here and click onto any of these different types of offers. It's going to take you over to a page that looks like this, and every time someone signs up to a gift card, you will be earning money. Now we saw that some people had merch. So how would you create this merch? You can come over to a site like Teespring, or you can even come over to a site like Redbubble and create this merch for free. Put a link up inside the description of your video on YouTube, and you can run traffic to any of these stores to your merch, and you can make even more money online. This is what these people are doing. And you can have generic types of t-shirts like these people have. You can have your own brand, and trust me, this works. People make a lot of money online from this stuff because your fans and subscribers will buy merch from you. So the first thing that you need to do is to create a channel, which is absolutely free. Have a look at what these people are doing. Get a lot of these videos, create a trial video, and just upload it. Stay consistent. Upload 1 to say 3 videos every single week for 3 months. Commit to doing this for 3 months, and in 3 months, you will have maybe 100, maybe 1,000 subscribers. It's a snowball effect. Once you stick to this consistently, you could be making anything from $5,000 to $20,000 every single month and replace your full-time income and have a very profitable side hustle. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.